A chemical change is a process where one or more substances are transformed into new substances with different properties. This type of change is often irreversible, meaning it can't be easily reversed or turned back into the original substances. When wood, paper, or a candle burns, it creates ash, smoke, and gases. Iron reacts with oxygen and moisture to form a new reddish-brown substance, rust, iron oxide. The ingredients undergo a chemical reaction when heated, changing their structure and texture. Bacteria convert lactose into lactic acid, changing the milk's taste and smell. A rapid chemical reaction creates heat, light, and gas. An electric current causes a chemical reaction to deposit a thin layer of one metal onto another. Magnesium ribbon burns with a bright white flame to form white ashes of magnesium oxide. Chemical changes involve the formation of new substances. These changes are often irreversible. Examples include burning, rusting, baking, and electroplating.